To protect a system, you have to think like the person trying to break it. So let's get inside the mind of an attacker. And understanding this doesn't make you dangerous. It makes you the hardest person in the room to fool. The first thing an attacker looks for isn't a clever exploit. It's the easiest way in. They map everything first. Every employee, every login page, every forgotten server. This is called reconnaissance, because attackers know a secret most people forget. The weakest part of any system usually isn't the computer. It's the human. The most reliable way into a company isn't code. It's a convincing email. This is social engineering, manipulating a person into opening the door themselves. A fake message from your boss. An urgent password reset. A helpful IT support call. All designed to make you act fast. Because when you're rushed and afraid, you stop thinking. And that's exactly the moment they need. Knowing this is your defense. The second an email creates urgency and asks you to click, slow down. Check who really sent it. Hover before you click. Verify through a different channel. Attackers hate patient people. On the technical side, attackers hunt for what hasn't been updated, old software with known holes. Which is why that update you keep ignoring is one of the most powerful defenses you have. Real security isn't one perfect wall. It's many layers, so one mistake doesn't open everything. The attacker mindset is simple. Assume any door can open and find the one nobody's watching. Learn to think this way, and you don't just protect systems. You protect yourself, your family, your money. If that was useful, subscribe. Real tech, zero hype, every week.